Hey! Thank you for tuning in to part two of the four-part series on optimizing engagement in online education. In part two, we will take a look at some of the benefits and misconceptions of engagement in online education. So let's get started. One benefit of online engagement within online education is its ability to encourage knowledge sharing. Shared knowledge in an online community enhances the online learning experience because individual learning, once shared, becomes community learning. The quote by Veasley, Bloom, and Sherlock emphasizes this: the critical role that community plays in academic success and persistence in higher education, asserting that a learning community can help individual learners achieve what they cannot on their own. This refers to the knowledge gained through various perspectives. There is power in relevant conversations as it allows for collective learning from discussions. In my experiences as both a student and a teacher, discussions have been good go-to tools for improving student engagement and attentiveness. Another benefit of engagement is active learning. Consistent with the traditional face-to-face classroom, online students will get out of the class what they put into it. If they are passive learners and choose not to engage, then the benefits they get will be limited, as explained by Veasley, Bloom, and Sherlock. Although there are many benefits of engagement in online education, there are also some misconceptions. One of these misconceptions is that participation is the same as engagement. Participation and engagement are very similar, but they are not exactly the same. Participation has to do with basic compliance, taking action simply to follow the rules. Engagement is a step up from participation. Not only is it taking action, but it is also taking initiative. Setting personal goals and achieving them without being asked to do so is reflective of this. Engagement is making learning relevant and meaningful to the individual person. Another misconception is that engagement looks the same for everyone. Although virtual learning is called online learning, the learning does not really happen online according to Fawns, Eichen, and Jones. Online learning filters into the physical settings of homes, cafes, and workspaces, so one cannot expect engagement to be expressed exactly the same for each person. Because of this, engagement for one person might be perceived differently for another.